It looks like Tom Scott's taking the lead in the rear wind speedster, followed by the Tonight Special. All right, 3 more laps, guys, 3 more laps. Tom Scott down low, pulling in tight. He's being chased by a number of competitors. Tom Scott still out in front at the end of lap 3. Looks like Larry Bear cranking it in up top. Tom down low, hugging the pylons at the end of lap 4. We're going to go.
We always take my car, 'cause it's never been beat. And we never miss a hit with the girls we meet.
All right, here we go. Go. There's our first car in the air. Yeah, we got our Ferrari in the air. Here's our Voodoo car. One of our cars didn't make it. Oh, our Ferrari went in. All right, let's see if we can race 2 cars. Bring it around, guys. As soon as our Jeff Gordon car turns and we get those 2 guys together, we'll do a couple lap race for you. This is how we do cars at the Flying Circus. All right, they said, hold on, announcer, maybe we can get a 3rd car. It's harder than it looks. We got a red race car out front, followed by our purple Voodoo race car, and our red, yellow, and blue Ferrari still trying to find the course. There goes the red race car down low at the end of lap 2. Jeff Gordon, he says. Oh, he's the points leader this year, so I guess it makes sense. Coming around lap 3, Voodoo says, I need 1 extra lap to try to catch him. So everybody line up on that Sea Fury with those white wings, that red airplane. We'll line up on him. We got 1 more getting started here. See if we get him in the air. We'll give him just a minute to get up in the air. 1 more big Sea Fury. As soon as he gets in the air, then we're going to have ourselves a 5-lap unlimited race. We're also trying to get 1 more Mustang started. We got a Mustang up top. Oh, it's a good lap. Heading to lap 2. 3 more laps to go, guys. 251 up top. Spitfire down below, and they are turning it tight. That's the end of lap 3. 2 more laps to go, and our Sea Fury with a little bit of a sick engine, trying to keep up. Okay, end of lap 4. Here we go. White flag lap. We've got the Spitfire and the Mustang. And look over at the Jumbotron. You guys see the air-to-air footage right now on the Jumbotron. Again, if you look up on the Jumbotron, you can see our Mustang going a few turns and rolls on the Jumbotron. A little air footage.
Military airplanes now. And I see them coming out on the runway. All right. All right, all right. All right. There goes Jared Granow now, and he's got a C-47 in combat marking. And following right behind him is going to be our friend Ron Kane with his C-47. Birds of a feather fly together, and they often did in World War II. They also did in the Korean War. They also did in the Vietnamese War. And in some third world nations, they're still flying.